Parks and Recreation is one of the greatest television programs ever made. It stars the bubbly bureaucrat Leslie Knope and her team in the Parks Department of Pawnee, Indiana. This is the show that I watch when I need a laugh. I need a break from the craziness of the world. The show is a favorite of mine, and as with other favorite pop culture things, I had an idea. What if I were to be selected to put together a revamped visual brand identity for the town? How would I represent this vibrant, unique, colorful star within Wamapoke County? Let's find out. First, I collected some photos to look at as I sketched some ideas. The photos I collected were the City Hall building, the current seal of Pawnee, the Unity concert logo, the show logo, and the welcome sign. Mood boards for me are less about how the logo will actually look and more getting a feel for what I'm trying to create and what feeling I'm trying to capture. It wasn't long before I came up with a concept and the idea for the color scheme inspired by the mood board. My idea for the brand surrounds the illustration of City Hall. In my research of other municipal brand projects, I found that a lot of them have an iconic image at their center. The City Hall icon is housed within a curved shape of the state of Indiana. I could have just used a square or a circle, but I thought it would be great to have that reference to make the overall mark unique. Now with the colors, I took my inspiration from the current seal and flag design. I applied the blue and the yellow from the designs, and I did that after I finalized the shapes. Always focus on the design first and make sure it works before adding color. I utilized Adobe Color to build the complete color scheme. I used the eyedropper tool to pull the blue straight from the current seal, and then I used the split complementary color harmony rule to produce other complementary colors. The word mark is actually custom. Usually I just try to match a font with whatever I design. However, this time I took on the challenge of designing each letter within the Pawnee mark. With my logo being full of curved corners and edges, I wanted the word mark to have curves. So I started to build each of the letters, and I started with a single circle, which became the P, which became the A. From there, I created the N, which informed the W and the E's. Now for the seal, because of my brilliant idea to have an asymmetrical shape of Indiana within the mark, I had to figure out how I was going to make the seal surrounding it. I couldn't quite make it like the city seals that I was looking at for inspiration. It was a happy accident that I discovered that I could use the slant at the bottom as part of the seal. From the bottom to the top middle, the seal is blue. After discovering how to incorporate the shape, the rest flowed by adding the text. I also incorporated the star in between the founding text and the city name as a nod to the stars within the Indiana state flag. With all the designs and colors taken care of, I could go crazy with the applications of the brand. The visual brand identity I've built includes an official city flag, a welcome sign, an official van, city office door display, and multiple apparel mock-ups. I've also included mock-ups for my official City of Pawnee business card. Mocking up various applications of a brand is a fantastic playground experience. Your imagination can run wild now that you're equipped with the complete brand toolkit. I was ambitious with this project, so I had an idea to create a few icons that represented the elements of the character, history, and landmarks of the city of Pawnee. The icons include the waffle with the syrup making the 2 J's for JJ's Diner, a tribute to Lil Sebastian, an icon for the Pawnee Commons, the park finally established on Lot 48. I ended up using these icons and the City Hall illustration to create a pattern along with the brand color scheme. I hope you enjoyed the full brand presentation of the city of Pawnee. I took my time with this project and it went to places that I did not expect. Passion projects like this teach and feed me as a designer and help me discover new ways to interpret ideas visually. It's also a very cool way to pay tribute to this show that brings me joy. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section down below, what fictional city would you like to see me brand next? Remember, as you go along in life, teach as you learn and inspire as you do. See you next time.